Alright, good morning, Philippines. Kung saan kayo sulok ng mundo, good morning, good evening, wherever you are, magandang buhay. Alright, so fam, so we're recording this video, ipapakita natin ito, age, how effective it is. Alright, so ito yung mini office ko, masyado makalat. Ito pala yung electric fan dito sa taas. Ito gagamitin natin, fan testing ano, sa ating gagawing video in response to one of our commenter. So, please panoorin mo itong video na to from the beginning till the end para malaman nyo kung bibili kayo or hindi. It's up to you guys. But I would suggest kung may headset naman kayo na hindi talaga gumagana yung noise cancelling, pwede nyo naman backupan ng noise cancelling app. Like Trips. Pero I'm gonna show you that use sa video din para going on how you guys can do it. All right, so let's go. Mali. Okay. Ano ba yan to? Ito na. All right, see you on the next window. All right. Um, good good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Magandang hapon or magandang araw sa inyo guys. All right, nandito tayo and we're gonna write a video or we're gonna record a video. So, magre-rest back tayo sa isang nag-comment na kung yung HNA20 is really working. So, right now, I'm using a typical gaming headset. This one. This is not a noise cancelling headset. Okay, so we're gonna use actual. We have an electric fan somewhere here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Um, but I'm gonna put this headset here. Kaya maingay. Let's see if yung H820 gagana ba. Ito, it is, I'm gonna show you in my screen. Yung comment. Click muna natin itong video. Yan, this one. Mhm. So,
So if you see this bar at the bottom, right
may ads. Ito, nag-comment sa atin. Ito guys. Kami niya dito. Thank you sir. Mas maganda po sana may video din kayo testing the actual noise cancelling H820. Like pag malapit kayo sa electric fan or pag may music sound sa background mo para mas legit. I was considering buying also the Logitech or Jabra one with tight budget but this MPlay 1820 can convince me with your video. Ito na lang bibilin ko. Then po, salamat. Sure. Ito na. We're gonna use now this one, okay? Um, right now I'm actually using the actual gaming headset. For sure, maingay ito. Alright?
here, you're
Ito
supposed to
natin
have it,
yung,
sorry.
wala natin. Ito yung actual video. While I'm talking. I also put the description where I bought this headset. Okay. So ngayon, gagamitin na natin itong HA. Ito yan. This is the headset. gagamitin na natin to. Actual talaga ito. Walang daya. So, there we go. Ipa-plugin ko na. Papalitan ko lang tong gaming headset. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Hello. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear me. Ito yung HN820 na. We're using it actually. Walang daya ito. I just plug it in, right? Hang on. Portable talaga sa. So, may LTEC one ako dito. Hindi nyo lang nakikita siguro for sure. But I'm gonna put this headset there. Tingnan natin. So, dahil sa Bukoro, punta tayo dito sa recording. Hello, testing, testing. Hello, testing, testing. Okay. So, I'm gonna use the gaming headset again para ma-compare natin talaga. Okay, hold on. I'll, I'll take this off. Hold lang. Hello, testing, check. Yeah, so again, I'm not sure if naririnig mo ako, but I'm actually using now this gaming headset. At ipi-play natin ang Kuro recording app. So, Vocaro pala. So, I'm gonna use the electric fan dito. Record natin actual recording. Sabi ko, let's play natin. Parang aeroplano ah. Okay. Hello, testing, testing, mic testing, check. I'm using now the gaming headset. Play. Hello, testing, testing, mic testing, check. I'm using now the gaming headset. Okay. Alright, so yan. Yan, gagamitin ko ulit itong HN820. Minsan na busy talaga ako sa work. Ang daming pinapagawa yung kliyente ko. Alright. Hello, hello, testing check. Can you guys hear me? Testing natin dito sa Bukuro. Hello, hello, Mac testing check. 1, 2. Hello, hello, Mac testing check. 1, 2. Yan. So right now we're using the HN820. So ilalapit ko sa electric fan. Dito kasi dito hindi lang makikita talaga sa back using a an app for sharing screen. Ilalapit natin to sa electric fan, guys. Let's try another recording. Let's try another recording. Konti lang, siguro I'm not sure how many percent, pero wala siyang ganun kalakas na parang walang iba, yung background noise. In fact, na-video bahay namin eh. So they're watching TV there outside. So ayun, this is the actual recording. Wala tong edit. This is a raw video recorded. Um, sana luto. Sino ba 'tong nag-comment? Si at Lionels, okay? So if you can see this video, please subscribe naman at pakitulungan naman yung channel natin. Right now may 55 subscriber na. We only have 55 subscriber. Hindi talaga ako totally the biggest YouTuber. Bago lang. Hindi naman talaga bago, but hindi pa ganun karami yung nakakilala sa atin. So if you like this video, you guys can share this. Ha? So, dami dito mga ano to? How to confidence. At if you know, I am also a freelancer. Kung sino dyan gusto magtanong how to get a client, you can also comment down below. I will help you guys kung paano makakuha ng kliyente. Gagawa natin yung video kung gusto nyo. And yeah. So once again, I'm gonna sign off na kasi matutulog pa ako after nito. I'm gonna take a rest. Papasok na mamaya. And I hope laban lang tayo, Lunels. Hope you like this video once again. And of course, kung gusto mo gamito, kasi I'm a freelancer, cold caller, lead marketing specialist, um, coding, yun din yung Python. Ako din, marunong din ako mag-Python a little bit, web designing. So kung gusto nyo matuto, just comment down below how to work as a freelancer. Kasi it's really different from BPO to freelancing. Guys, I'm gonna tell you, hindi talaga madali. Promise. But I hope dito makatulong. I'll just put down the link na rin. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng ganitong headset, you can. But again, hindi talaga guarantee na kasi ano from factory, right? Natsambahan lang talaga na mas okay yung quality nito. But again, kung hindi talaga gagana yung noise cancelling headset na nabili niyo, I can also share you one tips. You can also buy uh, cri- crisp, not crispy. Yan. Ito, the number one noise canceling app. Ito. Ayan. So, get Chris for free. Mag uh, sign in. And I'm not sure kung gagana pa yung account ko. Yan. Ikutin nyo lang sign in with Google at bibigyan kayo ni Grip ng uh, free 7 days. At saka may tutorial dito. I-click nyo lang tong tutorial na video. Ayan.
In this video, we'll quickly show you how to get and set up Windows or Mac. Enter your email into the field and click Send. Or alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account. Once you sign up, you'll receive an email with a verification code. Check that message and take a moment to fill it in. Next, you'll have to download and install the Crisp app on your device and continue the sign-in process. Launch the app and click Get Started. And once it syncs with your web account, open the app from the taskbar if you're on Windows or the status bar if you're on Mac. You will now see a pop-up window that will show you how to use Crisp with different conferencing apps. You can click on either option and watch the tutorial, or skip it and proceed with using the app. Crisp works with over 800 conferencing, recording, streaming, and communication apps, so you can enjoy the noise cancellation on your favorite one. All you have to do is go to the audio or voice settings of your preferred conferencing app, find the audio input/output or audio devices, and select Crisp as the microphone and speaker. Now go ahead and turn Crisp on to watch the magic work. That's pretty much it for the tutorial. We hope this helps you use Crisp with ease and enjoy productive and noisy meetings anytime.
Ayan, pwede rin. Pag hindi gumana yung headset niyo na noise cancelling na nabili niyo, you can also get the Crisp app, install it into your computer. Okay guys, so that's it. Kasi ako, I'm actually have Crisp before, but I'm not really using it kasi kapos tayo sa budget. But kung swertehan na gumana yung HN 820, gumana naman so far. Pero pag hindi, yun, just go to that, you know, tutorial. I-download nyo lang yan. They're gonna give us, I think, 7 days for free. So again, I'm not an endorser with Grip, but that's the most common application na ginagamit ng mga freelancer. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video nakatulong. So just comment down below kung how you get a client, how to start with freelancing. I'm gonna show you how gagawa natin ng video. Pero ngayon, medyo busy talaga. Clients are, um, asking a lot of tasks. So again, guys, that's it for today's video. Um, in play 8 and 820 kung kapos sa budget, you can buy this at Shopee. I'll just put the comment down below sa video na to kung paano nyo ito mabili. So again, thank you so much again for watching. I hope if you like this, please share naman. Tulungan natin yung account ko. 50% lang. But hopefully, dadami tayo. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much again and bye-bye. Hindi ko pa i-end to. I'll end the video now. Thank you so much guys for watching.